Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing the unboxing of the V8 smartwatch. We haven't done unboxing still, so this is going to be the first unboxing of our channel. So this is the V8 smartwatch. I have two smartwatches, both are V8. The model is V8 smartwatch. I will be now unboxing each other separately. I'll be first unboxing this. So when you open the box, you have directly the watch. You all can see I'll take the watch out now and I'll keep it separately. Inside the box you will have a small regiform piece and a cardboard. It's really packed in a really simple way. Here you have the charger. This is the same charger you use for your phone. This is the back cover. You have the IMEI number of your watch. That means you can put a SIM. That's why. This is the battery. It's a small lithium-ion battery. And next you have the user manual inside. I'll put those pieces inside now and close the box. I'll show you all the watch next. So I'll keep the boxes separately. Now I'll unbox this. So I have unboxed the first V8 watch. So this is going to be the second V8 watch I'll be unboxing. So I will open it now. You all can see this is really different from the first watch that we unboxed. So here, open it. You have the watch and that's all. You have a small plastic case. That's the first watch. This is the second watch. This watch strap is brown color. This watch is black color. So you all can see. Now I have the charger cable for this also. The manual. I think the battery is included inside the watch for this. Yeah, they have put the case and everything. I'll now just slightly open the case. Do it carefully. Here you all can see the battery is there. The IMEI number sticker and the speaker is also there. So now I'll close the cover back. Here I'll on the watch later. I'll show you all the first watch now again. The black color watch that we didn't finish unboxing. So I will be taking it out now. So here I have the watch. They have in this package they haven't included this battery inside and the cover. I ordered these two watches from two places to see the differences between the watches and everything. So I'll now take the battery out. Here you all can see the speaker, SIM tray and the memory card slot. So I have the battery inside this, so I'll take the battery now. Here I have the cover. I think they send the battery charged. I got my both the watches charged, so it is easy for us. That's a really good thing because they charge the watch and send it to us. So I will not be putting the cover. Hold and wait the top right side top button. That's the power on button. The right side bottom button is the back button. Normally in the phones also it's the back button. The watch will open on with a nice tone. In this watch I haven't put a SIM or a memory card still, or I didn't tie it to Bluetooth even. So you all can see when I go on the watch, here the time is there, date, and the dial pad here. I can press numbers. The keypad is a little bit small but no problem because you can type easily. And you have the menu when you swipe right and left. File manager, everything is there here. When you off the watch, you have the second watch faces. You can change the watch faces from there. Touch and hold and wait for some time to change the watch faces. Now I switched the watch off, so I will take the battery out. I'm not going to be using this watch, that's why I am keeping the battery out. I will be using this watch. So you all can see the watch is on charge, it's charging. This watch I didn't get charged, so now it's charging. I switched it on, so you all can see the watch face is there. When I swipe right, you all can see the time is correct and everything is correct. You all can see I have inserted the SIM. You all might be able to see dialogue, and the network network is also available. When I swipe right and left, the menu is there. I have calculator. The calculator is working. It's really good, by the way. Here you all can see the answer is correct. So when you press back, here you have clock. You can set up to 5 alarms in the watch. Now you have the calendar, and here you can, the same as the first watch, the top button is power and the down button is back button. They say you can activate Facebook and WhatsApp, but I'm not sure about it. So when you double click the top button, the watch switch off. You all can see they have given the image is a black watch. I also expected a black watch for the second one. I got a brown one instead, but the brown one is also really nice. I hope you all understood the difference between two smartwatches of the same model. These two both are V8 smartwatch. I'll leave the link for the app